later. So in the previous video, I talked about a mobile phone holder, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a lifelong rechargeable cleansing face massager. So a few months ago, I was using another face massager, which was like only not waterproof at all. So I was like kind of scared because I want something which is waterproof so I can use it like to face wash and stuff. And I was like, the previous one was like I was too scared to use it, and then I probably didn't use it. And I went to Amazon again and tried to, search another one which is completely waterproof, and then I found this. And I ordered it asking my family members. All said like, okay, you can try this. And I ordered it, and I've been loving this because this is completely waterproof. And now I'm going to unbox this and then tell my experience. What is it? So it comes in a decent packaging, so it's very compatible, if I would say. And yeah, now I'm going to be unboxing this, and here we go. It's pretty decent. There's nothing like more instructions and stuff. So here we go. This is how you're gonna get this, and yeah, this is the main body of everything. So in this whole set, you're gonna get 3 heads. One is deep cleaning head, and the other one is soft fiber head, and the other one is makeup remover head, which removes your makeup. And with USB cable, you can put this in your phone adapter and charge this. And here we go. This is how we're gonna get this. It is in rose gold. It is same as you can just see the colors. And yeah, it is like rose gold color, and I love the lines, how they designed in it. And here's the company branding name, Lifelong. And they gave us this glass thing, like you just need to, you can probably stand this in your desk, or just, it has holes which allows the air for the brush to dry if it's wet. And yeah, now this is the brush, deep cleaning brush. If you're like using this for, you can use this for like weekly twice to clean all of your, face. It kind of massages and also it cleans. And this is how you're gonna get this. This is kind of like not that soft, but you can use this for deep cleaning. That's why it's not that soft. And it's pretty white, but I have used it so you guys can see it. For removing, you just need to, pull this so it removes easily. And for also again putting this, you just need to do that. See, easy. And now I'm gonna put this back, and yeah. Here at the top, it is a type of rubber thing, which is an on and off button. And probably when I got this, I was, doing this, and I thought I broke it, but no. It is the USB whole thing where you have to put your phone charging. Oh my god, what did I say? Alright, phone charging. Alright, to put this charging, and yeah. You can put this for 2 hours, and you can use the whole day. It depends on how long you use this. And yeah, now I'm gonna put all of these and show you guys. So to on this, you just need to long press this until this ons, and it ons. And for speed this, you just need to press it again, and it ons again. And for again offing this, you just need to off it, again long press, and it offs. That's it. And I'm going to put the other brushes and show you all. If you want another video in my, using this in my face, I would love to do that video. Comment below. And yeah. And this is the makeup remover head, and it is so soft. And I probably removed my makeup twice with this product because I don't apply a lot of makeup. So yeah. And I'm going to fit this, and this is so soft. It feels so great. It doesn't hurt your skin or anything. It doesn't damage your skin. And you can also speed this as well, and again off this. Yep, it's off. And yeah, this is the one I use it every single day. So I probably use this every single day at night times. I probably use this product has my night routine. And yeah, this is if you're using washing your face daily twice, you can use this. If you're cleaning your face, you can probably use this weekly twice. And this is the soft fiber brush, and it's actually really soft. And yeah, I'm going to also put this in and show you guys. Here we go. It is so soft as I'm applying in my hand. You just need to put your, just wet your, okay wait, let me just off it. You just need to wet your face and then put some face wash or face cream you have, and then just do this. I have my makeup on, so I can apply this. So you can probably do this for a minute or 15 seconds. It's going to be really cool. And now I'm going to remove this and just put this aside. Wait a minute. And here we go, as I told you, this is not that long, but you can just put this in your phone adapter and put this in charge. So yeah, here we go, all the products are it's over, and yeah. So I've used this product for 1 month and I've been loving this product, and if I would rate this, I'm going to rate this 10 on 10 because I love the product. I probably use this every single day, and I also use this weekly twice, which cleans all my face. And yeah, I love this product, guys. And I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you do, smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to TECHDISPLAY and be a part of a family of our TECHDISPLAY. TECHDISPLAY is coming with some new content and also some new gadgets. Till then, see you, bye bye.